I bought these almost brand new white, monotonous, uninteresting, lifeless, colorless, lackluster Keds at a secondhand market, and I was super excited because the light bulb in my mind lit up. So today I will be showing you how I custom painted these shoes inspired by Claude Monet's Water Lilies painting. My main goal with this process was to have a lightweight finished pair of shoes that I can slip on easily to do my grocery shopping, because honestly, I'm tired of looking boring when I grab my snacks off the shelf at the supermarket. Anyway, as all good ideas, they begin in the middle of the night. So these dried a lot darker than I expected. They're supposed to be a kind of light pink color. It's also 11 p.m. at night, and probably I shouldn't be painting at this hour, where everything in this lighting just looks like absolute shit. Anyway, see you in the daylight. I'm going to bed. So they do look a bit better in the sunlight, and that's when the more fun process began. I have this mouse pad that I use that has the original painting printed on it, and I was lucky to be able to draw color inspiration from there directly. I made the spine-chilling decision not to tape the soles and just be careful not to get paint on them, because I live the adrenaline-inducing arts and crafts part of my life on the edge, and if you are not like me, please do not make the same mistake. Anyway, I started with about 3 different shades of blue for the water and painted in little circles of green as the lily pads. This choice of painting is definitely very doable if you are a beginner at painting custom shoes, because you have a reference to work from and the brush strokes are very free-flowing, so it's easy to cover up any mistakes compared to having to precision paint. I decided to bring in a more lighter pink as well, since I realized the base I picked was a little too orange for my liking. I was using acrylic gouache here, which is similar to acrylic paint, but it dries matte instead of glossy. At the beginning, I was a little worried because I felt it wasn't looking similar enough to the original, but I quickly changed my mind on that as I painted in the pink flower lilies into the scene. I painted both pairs the same way, and I really enjoyed the look of the finished product. And here's what they look like on. I shaved my ankles for this, so like and subscribe for that effort at least, if not for my painting. If you enjoyed this one, please check out some of my other painting and crafting videos. I have another pair of custom shoes I painted and blinged out as well, and I will see you in the next one. You know.